Before making any adjustments to the seat matters chairs, lock the 2 brake casters at the back of the chair for safety. To replace any of the actuators on the Milano, first we locate the actuator and we remove the cable that connects it to the control box. Then using 2 17mm spanners, we loosen the nut and bolt at the top of the actuator and the nut and bolt at the bottom. To reconnect the new actuator, just slide the bolt back and through the actuator. Then we put the top bolt on and then tighten the bolt back up on that as well. Then reconnect the cable back into the port. It is the same procedure to replace any of the actuators on the Milano.